Hi Boss Beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, checking out a video of mine for the very first time, my name is Stacy Elaine. Welcome to the Girl Boss Beauty community. I make videos for the modern working woman. In today's video, I'm going to unbox yet another Coach bag. If you had told me when I came into quarantine 2.5 months ago that I would now have purchased 4 Coach bags while in quarantine, I would have said, no, boo, you're lying. I would have said, no, not her. Maybe 4 YSL bags, maybe 4 things off my wish list, but there was not one Coach item on my wish list for this year. And that has not stopped me. Coach has had some really great pieces that I thought were classics that I could add to my wardrobe and to my handbag collection. So in today's video, I'm going to buy the little sister of the first Coach bag that I purchased. So I will remind you, the first Coach bag was the Field Tote 40 in this beautiful army green. I purchased this specifically for when I have to resume my corporate career outside of the home. A girl needs a good travel work bag, and that is why I bought this one. I love the neutrality of it. This size is really big. I wanted something that I could fit I wanted something where I could fit my laptop in it. I have a 15-inch Lenovo laptop. But what I really wanted deep down, the first time I saw it, was the little sister, the Coach Field Tote 30. And they were all out of stock. It seems like distribution has caught up now in the age of COVID. And I found the bag online at Macys.com. It was not on sale. I paid full price for this bag, and it retails for $295, I believe. I will link it below. Now, I'm going to show you how Macy's sent the bag. It is the worst packing of anything I've received. So they sent it just in this bag here. This was folded over like that. And I'm showing you this because there's no packaging, there's no box, there's no wrapping, anything in this bag. Literally, the bag is the handbag is sitting in this plastic bag. I don't shop at Macy's for this reason. I feel like Macy's cheapens the retail experience. And when I go into the store, I just want an elevated shopping experience, something that I think Macy's has given up on. But here she is, the Field Tote 30 in the cream, tan, and black. It did retail for $295. I will show you the tag if you want to go look for it. I love her. I love her. So I wanted the little sister for a more practical handbag that I could just carry around. I thought this would be a beautiful bag for summer, spring, summer. And I thought with all of the clothing that I bought, this would be a wonderful addition. So let's just go over. Let me check out the bag. Okay, so the bag is in great condition, but I still wish that it was sent in a box or something to really protect it. But you know, it's Macy's, I assume. The only thing I can see is that, you know, the handles, everything is not crisp and wrapped like I'm used to Coach sending it. This seems like somebody at Macy's just threw this bag into that bag and was like, here girl, take this. And I just don't appreciate it. But the black all leather handles on the rivets here, it is branded Coach on all 4 of them in the front and all 4 in the back as well. This is a tan leather. It does have the new leather smell, which I really love. I like the creaminess of the canvas and the fadedness of Coach here, where it already looks a little worn. It's completely plain on the back. Comes with 4 feet, and it is leather on the bottom so as to not dirty it up, which I really like. Let's get in the inside. The strap for this bag is the same like cotton material as the last one, but it just has a deeper tan trim. I'll show you. For the other bag I have, it came with a more neutral beige trim on the end, which matches the leather around the bag better. So it's weird because of all the bags, this is the only one that came with a dust bag. I wish they had mailed it in the dust bag, but it's shocking. This is the only bag I've gotten with a dust bag. Craziness. So these Field Totes also come with removable pouches, and this one is what this looks like. It does have the Coach Authenticity branding there in the tan. It's nothing on the back. The pull is leather, and it's just tan on the inside. The inside is a fabric tan material, and there are no pockets, no zippers. It's literally just a big tote, which I like. There is a push button that holds the tote together, so it does come together here, and this button seems like it works better than the last one. There is branding on this, on the D-ring. There is Coach branding here. I like it. I like it. I knew I would. I knew I would. I knew I would. And the strap is black leather as well, but I'm just gonna leave that in there. The dog tag on the bag is branded just Coach. It's not the horse and carriage from the 1941 collection. Let's do modeling. So I am working today. It's Friday. This is a lounge dress that I just plan on wearing all day. So this is what she looks like on the side. This is actually a very comfortable fit, and I don't normally wear like shoulder bags like this, but because this is wide, this is actually a really comfortable fit on me. I love how it looks from all angles, even in the little viewfinder. This is the bag shorter, so if I was to wear it as a shoulder bag, I would probably wear it here where the bottom of the bag touches my upper thigh, and the handles, let's see, I can actually hide them inside so that they don't stick up, and that works really well. Let's see how it looks crossbody. Cute, cute. Cute, cute. When I wear my bags crossbody, I tend to push them to the back like this, so it sits on the long part of my butt. That's what she looks like. And here she is, crook of the arm. in my elbow, off the wrist. You can't really see her like that, but this is what she looks like. I will do a video comparing these two, but just a quick side-by-side view. You can see how much bigger the 40 is compared to the 30. The 30 is actually a nice handbag or, you know, hand tote size, and I really do like it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is probably, I was gonna say this is probably my last handbag unboxing, but I already have one coming and should be here on Monday that I purchased, so we will unbox that one together. But it's not Coach. It's not a Coach bag. Like, can you believe it? But I just thought this was very classic, and it reeks of the trend that is going on now. Celine has a bag like this. I think Valentino has a bag like this. What's another? Burberry has a bag like this. I'll put them on the screen so you can see why this at $295 is really a steal. It's trimmed in all leather. It has feet. It's canvas just like the other bags. And I think it makes just a statement, just as much as a statement as the other higher price points. So I don't go to Coach for everything. And you guys know I am a luxury lover. But honey, let's not be dumb about this stuff. You know, like, let's be smart and make smart money purchases. This, for what it is just like what they're selling you in other brands, because it's canvas with leather trim. And Coach has outstanding, wonderful, fantastic wearing leather. And some other luxury brands cannot say the same, and let's be honest about that. So I love this little bag. I might do a what's in my bag, what fits in it. Let me know any videos you would like to see related to this bag or related to any other bags that you know that I have purchased. A lot of things are going on in the world right now, and I just want to leave you with a prayer from my heart that God heals our land. It heals your household, that God will heal us spiritually and be with us mentally and in our hearts, that we may learn to love one another as He wants us to love, that we are all equal in God's eyes. We are all His children. And I just want to let you know that I love you. If nobody's told you that today, if nobody has seen you, sis, I see you. Brother, I see you, I love you, and I hope you are doing well. As I say in every video, I hope that we are all blessed enough to be a blessing. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.